Hey everyone, this is Troy from TroyPoint.com, and in this quick video I will show you how to install TiviMate on Firestick, Fire TV, or Fire TV Cube. The same process will also work on Android TV and Google TV systems because the app that we're using to do this, Downloader, is available for install through Google Play on those devices. We also have a screenshot guide that corresponds with this video available on our website, and you can find the link for that and other helpful resources in the video description. Now, the first thing we need to do is prepare the Fire Stick for side-loading apps. I'm going to install the free Downloader application through the Amazon App Store. To do that, I'm going to hover over the search icon, move down, click the search box, start typing in Downloader. After the first few letters, you're going to notice it shows up here in the list. Click Downloader. Click the big orange icon, click download, and the application will install. Okay, I don't want to open Downloader just yet. I want to go back to the home screen. I'm going to move to the end of the list here, hover over the gear icon, move down, go into My Fire TV, and now I want to go into developer options. Now, if you have a newer Fire Stick or Fire TV Cube, you may notice that developer options is not in this list. To make it appear, all you have to do is go into About, highlight the name of your Fire TV device, and click that 7 times. You'll notice for me it says no need, you are already a developer, but if you haven't already done this, once you click it 7 times, it's going to say you are now a developer. And then when you click the back button on your remote, you're going to notice the developer options is now in this list. I'm going to go into developer options. I'm going to click install unknown apps. I'm going to highlight downloader, and I'm going to click this. This will turn on unknown apps so we can install applications not available through the Amazon App Store. And again, this is referred to as side loading. Now, for those of you using an older Fire TV device, you will notice that there's only one toggle that you need to turn on for unknown apps, and that covers all the applications on your device, so you don't have to go in and turn on unknown apps for each individual application. Now, before I move on to the next step, be sure to get my free guide on how to install secret app stores on your Fire Stick, Fire TV, or Fire TV Cube. This will give you access to thousands of free applications not available through the Amazon App Store. This is the reason why Fire Sticks are so popular. To get my free guide, simply click the link in the video description or open the camera app on your phone or tablet and scan this QR code that will take you to the registration page. The guide will be delivered immediately to your email inbox. Okay, I'm going to click the home button on my remote, go back to the home screen. Now I'm going to click this shortcut to the left of the gear icon. That will take me to the page that displays all of my applications, and here is Downloader. Now I do want to move this to the home screen. To do that, I need to put it on this main row up here. I'm going to highlight Downloader, click the menu button on my remote, click Move. Now I'm going to use the arrows on my remote to drop this into place. Due to the fact that I use this on a regular basis, I'm going to put it as a second application in my list. Click the select button on my remote to drop it into place. Now when I go back to the home screen, it's front and center here on this main row. Okay, now I'm going to launch Downloader. You must click the allow button when you see this or this will not work. Click OK. Now it's time to open the free TroyPoint toolbox. I'm going to click the up button on my remote. That puts a cursor in the URL box. I'm going to click the OK button again on my remote to open the keyboard. And I'm going to type in the code 250931. Hit the go button. Wait for this 5-second load screen, and the TroyPoint toolbox has loaded. Now, when you first land on this page, I strongly suggest marking this as a favorite due to the fact that many TroyPoint tutorials are based on this toolbox. There's dozens of applications that you can install through here that aren't available through the Amazon App Store. To mark this as a favorite within Downloader, simply hold down on the OK button of the remote for a few seconds. Click Add Current Page to Favorites. Click Save. Now when you go to the left side here in the future and you go into Favorites, click Troy Point Toolbox, the page will load immediately and you don't have to wait for the 5-second load screen. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down until I see TiviMate. And here it is. Now it's important to note that this page will always have the most recent stable release of TiviMate for installation. I'm going to click Download, move down, click Install. I'm going to click Done. And the reason I click Done is because I want to come back in here and delete the installation file. There's no need for this to stay on the system and take up space. Delete again. I'm done with the Downloader app and the Troy Point Toolbox. I'm going to click the Home button on my remote. Go back into the page that displays all of my applications. And here is TiviMate. I can now move this to the home screen like I did in the previous step with the Downloader app. Another way we can do this is highlight it, hold down on the OK or Select button of the remote for a few seconds, and now use the arrows on my remote to drop it into place. Back to the home screen, and it's now available here on this front row. I'm going to go ahead and launch TiviMate, and now it gives you the option to set up your live TV channel.